Hi, I'm Alan, and I'm back here with some sort of a DIY here about covering this plug on the extension cord, and I'm going to show you what I mean here. Okay, for some reason we're not getting no electrical current from this outlet here. We replaced the socket, we replaced the switch, and we're still not getting anything. It runs into the house in the circuit box, and so what we done right now, we got the extension cord running from here all the way to here, and it connected to our timer, our pull timer. So what I'm going to do, we got a lot of these containers bought from Walmart one time, real cheap. They're flimsy. They're not that great. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to put the plug in it and put the cover over it. That way it'll keep it waterproof. I tried using my multi-tool, but that didn't work. It just cracked it. Like here. So I'm going to use a razor knife. That should work. So I'm going to have to get another bow and redo this. That didn't turn out too good. Okay, I tried using a multi-tool and it didn't work. So I'm going to use a razor knife this time. Just because I know where to cut. Like I said, these are cheap plastic thin containers. They're very thin. Can't even heat food up in them. Except it won't hardly cut this lip. See something else here. Using these snippers here just to get that lip cut. Oh, my knife again. And I gotta cut me see how that works. Let me put these up. Okay, now I'm back outside. What I'm gonna do here, try to do this one hand. See if I can do it one hand here. Anyway, I probably have to put some tape at the end of it to keep it waterproof. But that's what I came up with right now. This is my first time doing this. Could also do it that way. And that's my DIY for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make a comment if you got a better suggestion. And until next time, thanks for watching.